I'm Jinx, that's Jax, and together we're J&J Productions. Today we're going to be doing just a bit of a fun vlog.
You see how bad I'm shaking?
We're going to be going bowling with Xenocorpse from Xenocorpse. I feel like you guys don't even need that intro anymore because he's like in every one of our videos.
Every recent.
Yeah. No, even the old ones from back when we were first starting, you were in the videos.
This is getting really hard.
Oh, so yeah, she's playing some Beat Slaver right now. So yeah.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up.
You tied me. That's an 8. We're tied. If you hit any other pins, that's it. You win. Your boy's got to get just one of these 2 pins. Can he do it? Oh, he got one. No, he won. Oh, good job.
Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
You guys, we had a really great day today. I was just in the middle of editing the video and realized we forgot to record an outro, but we're on the way home now. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below, comment what you thought, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.